So what we're here today to present to you is give an overview of the new STM32U0 series. So Marco will do the introduction on that just after this short presentation. He'll also show you how it fits within the rest of the STM32 portfolio. So he'll show you where it fits in the different families that we have on offer now. And during the hands-ons, we're going to introduce you to the ecosystem and some of our hardware boards. So one board that you might not have seen before in any of our workshops is the ST-Link V3 Power. So we're going to be using that so that we can nicely display measurements on the computer screen. And you're probably more familiar with Nucleo boards and Discovery boards, which we'll be using as well during the different hands-ons. So the agenda for today, this brief introduction, then I'll hand over to Marco for the introduction to the actual U0 product line itself. After that, Antoine will take over and go through all the different low power modes of the U0 microcontroller family. And he'll show you some of the modes live on a Nucleo board with the ST-V-Link connected to the device to do the current measurements. Then we'll have a short break. After the break, we'll show you more real-life demonstrations. So we'll go into an energy harvesting demo. And then after that, we'll actually build a real-life application. So we'll explain a little more of that as we get to the second half of the workshop. Then at the end, there'll be more time for questions and answers. So this is more of a demo workshop, so we don't expect you to have all these particular pieces of hardware or all these particular pieces of firmware installed on your laptop. If you do have them to hand, you're welcome to follow us along. We will drop any or some of the smaller code snippets into the chat, but a lot of them will be fairly large code snippets that we'll be using for the second hands-on. So you might have to wait till you've got a bit more time to actually follow along with this. But for the first hands-on, you can definitely follow along with what Antoine will be doing.